Prakash Fanti. Welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Engineers.
Click on Start an all program and Anaconda 3 and open a Jupyter notebook. In this video we are going to see how to use if-else statement and one of example of it. Now let's open. Click on desktop. Then open a Python folder where we create a new file. Where we code first we will take two variables a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Let's first print this variables. We can print in two ways. In double cells it is work as a statement, and without any cells it print exactly value of that. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Let us start with if else condition. If statement is work if it is true. If it is not true, then we put else statement. We can use multiple if else statement. Be careful to spacing. A space less than space b and call. Okay, print a is less than b. If a statement is true, then it print a is less than b. If it is not, then it do not print anything because there is only if statement till. Okay, if we change value of a, let's get it greater. Okay, then run, and there is no output. So now we put a statement else, and please be careful, there is always 4 spaces. Print is greater than b. Okay, let's check. Okay, is greater than b. Okay, and in this we can also use nested if for that. Else if elif is work as nested, we can use multiple elif. Suppose if our variable are equal, suppose a is equals to b, then we print a is equals to b. Okay, change variable. First we run. Okay, it is still greater. We change the variable of a equals to 4 and b is equal to 4. That means a is equals to b. Okay, after running we get output a is equals to b. Okay, it is running. Okay, we are see how if else work. Okay, let's do some calculations work by using some formula, and within we use if else statement also. Let's take a name is equal to prime, and weight is equal to 60 kg, and height is equal to 110 meters. Okay, now first we print this. First we give a statement that name equals to, then whatever name is, because name may be multiple, and we print what is or her weight and height. Okay, done. Let's run the cell. Okay, we get output name is equal to prem, weight is equal to 60, and height is equal to 110. Okay, let's make a formula. Just BMI is this formula through which we can calculate person's weight with respect to his or height, that is good or more weighted, through which we can justify he is fit or not fit. Okay, weight is divided by height into height. Okay, after this we are going to print BMI to see that formula is working or not. Okay, let's run this. Okay, we get BMI is equal to 0.00495, that means I'm fit. Okay, let's write a if else statement through which if someone is not fit, how can we tell? We just use if else statement. If BMI is less than 1, print person name, means where string of name, and we will give a statement which will be constant statement, that is fit. That name may be changed according to, but this statement is fit is same. Okay, let's put else statement. If the condition BMI is not less than 1, that else statement will be run, that where we print name of person and in string is not fit. Okay, let's run first. Okay, it is working. Okay, now we going to change a height of person to test the code. Okay, we changed and run. Okay, frame is not fit, that means it is working. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. There is tutorial series, we can see my previous videos from beginning, and keep in touch. Please don't forget to subscribe.